Your body knows how to heal. Long before pharmacies, prescriptions, and labels you couldn't pronounce, people reached for living plants growing just a few steps from their door. Relief wasn't delayed, packaged, or outsourced. It was immediate, local, and trusted. Many of those plants still grow today, quietly dismissed as weeds or decorations, even though their effects are fast, noticeable, and deeply rooted in human history. This is not about replacing doctors or ignoring modern medicine. This is about remembering the first line of support humans relied on for thousands of years, and why, gardeners were once the most trusted healers in every village. Aloe vera, and why skin recognizes it instantly. Aloe vera earned its reputation because the body responds to it almost immediately. The clear gel inside the leaf cools, burns, calms inflammation, and supports skin repair within minutes of application. This is not folklore. Aloe's polysaccharides create a protective barrier that reduces irritation while signaling skin cells to regenerate. For use, cut a fresh leaf, slice it open, and apply the gel directly. No dilution is needed. The fresher it is, the stronger the effect. This plant thrives in containers, tolerates neglect, and rewards you every time skin needs help. For immediate support, crush 1 clove. Let it sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin, then mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. This traditional method softens the intensity while preserving effectiveness. Lemon balm and emotional relief. Lemon balm acts on the nervous system in a way that feels almost emotional rather than physical. It reduces stress hormones, supports mood balance, and gently lifts mental fog. Steep 1 tablespoon of fresh leaves in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. The calming effect often appears quickly, making it a trusted plant for anxious moments and restless evenings. Turmeric and inflammation response. Turmeric's active compound curcumin helps calm inflammation, but it works best when combined correctly. Black pepper increases absorption dramatically. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper and 1 cup of warm water or milk. Drink once daily. While turmeric is often seen as slow, many people feel joint relief within hours when prepared properly. Thyme and respiratory support. Thyme opens airways and supports the lungs quickly because of its volatile oils. It was historically used during respiratory outbreaks for this reason. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme in 1 cup of hot water for 15 minutes. Inhale the steam before drinking for added effect. Calendula and rapid skin repair. Calendula speeds skin healing and reduces inflammation almost immediately when applied externally. Its bright flowers contain compounds that stimulate tissue repair. Infuse 1 tablespoon of dried petals in 1 cup of hot water, let cool, and apply as a wash to irritated skin. This is why calendula became a staple in traditional salves. Why do these plants feel like they work instantly? Well, it's because these plants act on systems the body already understands. They don't override processes, they support them. That's really important. This is why the response feels fast and natural, rather than forced. Modern life, has separated food, medicine, and gardening into different categories. But nature never did. Growing your own healing garden is, honestly, more accessible than you might think. Most of these plants really thrive in small spaces, in containers, or even along the edges of your garden. A simple soil support method, which is quite effective, involves mixing 1 teaspoon of unsulfured molasses into 1 liter of water and watering the soil once every 6 weeks. This, in turn, feeds beneficial microbes that enhance medicinal compounds naturally. Here's a reminder that's definitely worth repeating. These plants support wellness, but they do not replace professional medical care.